Hello, this is Alice from Landpack Machinery. Today I would like to show you one of our snack filling lines. It's suitable to filling different types of snack like chips, plantain chips, candy, dry food, different types of snack into this type of bottles. It can handle up to 10-liter bottles. And this line, it can handle from labeling, filling and capping, all processed automatically. Now let's check them one by one. The first machine is the bottle arranging machine. It will be very simple to adjust the width based on different types of bottles. And the second machine will be the labeling machine. It's suitable for round bottles. Because this bottle is very big, so the labeling will put in the front side of the whole line, because if it's to avoid decrease the bottle speed, labeling speed. So if we labeling the bottle first, it can increase the speed, because it will be more convenient for empty bottle for labeling. And the third machine is the filling machine. It consists of the auto feeding Z-type elevator and 10 head weigher for weighing. Straight line filling machine. The speed can be up to 20 to 30 bottles per minute. The next machine is the aluminum foil heat sealing machine. It has double sealing heads. Is to heat sealing a layer of this type of foil on top of the bottle to avoid the product and extend the shelf life of the bottle, the products. The next machine is the cap lifting machine and the capping machine. For this line, it has equipped with two different capping machines. The first capping machine is for the small bottle. It's the screw-type capping. It's controlled by servo motor. And the next capping machine is for the big bottles. This 10-liter big bottles is the pressing type cap. So this is the pressing capping machine. With this one line, it can handle two different types of caps. And here is the collection table. Now let's check how the whole line works. 给他展示一下。来一个。That's all for my today's introduction. If you got any other question, please contact us by our website to get more information. Thank you for watching.